In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down to access Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts. Scroll all the way down and make sure that this switcher next to Show on Lock Screen is blue. Then tap on Add Emergency Contact and click on all of your contacts that you wish to add. When you finished, select Done at the bottom. As you can see, after that all of my contacts were successfully added. To delete one of them, hit those three dots at the top right corner. Select Delete. Tap on the one that you wish to get rid of and hit Remove at the bottom. Then tap on Add Emergency Contact and select any other one instead. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!